Welcome students. Today I am going to start chapter number 5. Chapter number 5. Unit 5. Chapter name is Retirement and Death. Chapter name is Retirement and Death. Today we will take new ratio when any partner retire. Clear? आपने न्यू रेशियो फाइंड आउट करना है. आई एम टेकिंग वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एक्स वाई जेड आर पार्टनर शेयरिंग प्रॉफिट एंड लॉसेस इन द रेशियो 3:1. 3 पार्टनर है एक्स वाई और जेड. इनका रेशियो है 3:1. एक्स वाई और जेड 3, 2 और 1. This is first question. X retires. X retire हो गया. First case is given to you कि X retire हो गया. जब X retire हो गया, no condition is given. No condition. तो Y और Z का रेशो क्या होगा? अब X retire हो गया, X गया, क्या बचा? Y and Z. इनका रेशो है 2:1. Clear? Second, Y retires. No condition is given. Then remaining partner will be X and Z. Then the remaining partner will be X and Z. X is 3, Z is 1. Clear? Then the third part is given. Z retires. अगर Z रिटायर हो गया तो रिमेनिंग विल बी X एंड Y. X का रेशो 3 और Y का रेशो 2. क्लियर? नाउ द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. Question number 3. A, B, C are partner in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio 5:4:3. 3 पार्टनर है. थर्ड इलस्ट्रेशन A, B और C. रेशो इज 5, 4 और 3. क्लियर? B retired and his share was divided equally between A and C. B retires and his share equally divided among A and C. हमने इक्वली डिवाइड कर दिया A में और C में. तो B का हिस्सा, B शेयर 4 डिवाइड बाय 5, 4, 4, 9 और 3, 12. 4/12. इक्वली डिवाइड कर रहे. कोमा मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई. इक्वली मीन्स 1 डिवाइड बाय 2. A एंड C 2 पार्टनर्स, तो हम करेंगे 1/2. 2 2s are 4. 2/12 among A एंड C. अब B का शेयर डिवाइड हो गया A और C में 2/12 और 2/12. नाउ A's टोटल शेयर. A का शेयर 5/12. B से कैप्चर किया 2/12. एलसीएम 12. 5 + 2 7/12. क्लियर? C's शेयर. C का शेयर 3/12 taken from B. 2/12 take LCM 12. 3 + 2 5/12. New ratio A and C. A's share is 7/12. C's share 5/12. Take LCM 7:5. New ratio. Clear? They are so much easy. Now I am taking the next question. Illustration number 4. A, B, C were partners with ratio 5, 4, 3. Three partners are here. A, B or C. 5, 4 or 3. This is question number 4. Clear? C retired and his share were taken up by A and B in the ratio 3:2. Condition is given. C retired, his share taken up by A and B in the ratio 3:2. 3:2. क्लियर? सबसे पहले निकालेंगे C का शेयर, दैट इज 3, 5, 4, 9 और 3, 12. क्लियर? A टेकन 3/12 का 3/5, 9/60. A ने कितना लिया? उसके हिस्से का 3/5. उसका हिस्सा 3/12 इंटू 3/5, 9/60. B टेकन 3/12 इंटू 2/5, 6/60. क्लियर? अब आपको टोटल शेयर निकालना है ए का और बी का. एज टोटल शेयर, ए का हिस्सा 5/12 प्लस 9/60 which is taken by C. LCM will be 60. 12 5s are 5 5s are 25 plus 9, 34/60. B's total share 6/60 plus his share 4/12. Take LCM 60, 6 and 20, 26/60. Now the new ratio, A is to B. A का शेयर 34/60, B का शेयर 26/60. Take LCM 60, 34 and 26. They will be divided on 2, 17 and 30. Then the ratio will be 17:13. Clear? Now the next question. A, B, C are partners sharing profit in the ratio 1/4, 2/5 and 7/20. A retired and his share taken up by B and C in the ratio 1:2. Calculate the new ratio. You will be capable to do the same as fourth question we have done. Now question number 6. P, Q, R are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 5:3:2. I am taking illustration number 6. Illustration number 6. P, Q, R. P, P, Q and R. The ratio is given 5:3:2. 5, 3 and 2. R retired and his share is entirely taken by P. R and retires and his share entirely taken by P. Clear? Taken by P. P taken 2 divided by 5, 3, 8 or 2, 10. Clear? Taken by P 2 by 10. P's total share. P का already है 5 by 10. He has taken from R, that is 2 by 10. Take LCM 10. 5 plus 2 7 by 10. Q share. Q never take anything, so उसका share same रहेगा 3 by 10. Now the new ratio. P and Q 7 by 10, 3 by 10, 10 LCM, 7:3 is the new ratio. Here you will be able to 7th question yourself. 8th question I am taking 8th question. Sharma, Verma and Neetu. Sharma, Verma and Neetu Sharma, Verma and Neetu. Sharma, Verma and Neetu. Share is given 1 by 4, 1 by 8 and 110 by 16. Take LCM 16, 4, 2 or 10 is the ratio. If Sharma retire, Verma retire, Neetu retire, also calculate the gaining ratio in each of the above situation. First, Sharma retires. Then Verma and Neetu. इनका रेशियो बच गया 2:10. क्लियर? इनका रेशियो बच गया 2:10. अब हमें निकालना है गेनिंग रेशियो. गेनिंग रेशियो का फॉर्मूला है न्यू माइनस ओल्ड. न्यू माइनस ओल्ड. न्यू इज 2 by 12. Verma 2 by 12. Old is 2 by 16. 2 by 16. एलसीएम लोगे 12 और 16 का. 2 6 जा 2 8 जा 2 3 जा 2 4 जा 3 चौक 12 24 48. 48 एलसीएम आ गया. 12 4 जा 4 2 जा 8. 16 3 जा 3 2 जा 6. 2 by 48. Clear? 2 by 48. Now the turn is Neetu. Same, new ratio minus old ratio. New is 10 by 12. Old is 10 by 16. Take LCM 48. 12 4s are 4 10s are 40. 16 3s are 3 10s are 30. 10 by 48. Then gaining ratio. Verma and Neetu. Verma 2 by 48 or 10 by 48. 48 LCM 2:10. Clear? When new condition is not given, then new is equal gaining. ठीक है? Same way in the time of admission, if nothing is given, no condition is given, then old is equal to sacrificing. Clear? So you will be able to do such kind of questions. Now you will be able to do questions up to 15. Clear? Do it.